a little update on my tankless hot water heater. You saw it in a previous video of me installing this, and the readouts in Celsius, and I'm not going to fire it up, but 38 degrees Celsius is 100 degrees Fahrenheit, which is a nice temperature for a shower. But trying to take a shower, adjusting the water, trying to get it so it's 38, I had it bouncing all over from 41, which is scalding, down to 31, which is freezing to me. That's Celsius, so it's still way too cold for a shower. So to combat that, and I recommend anybody who uses one of these that does not have mixing valves or doesn't want to mess with the mixing valves, to install one of these. This is a tempering valve. So cold water comes in, hot water comes in this side, cold water comes in this side. My heater, when it's running full blast, is putting out 56 degrees Celsius water. Not sure, but it's up in the 130, 140 degree range, I think. What this does is I set this at 38. It actually has a lock. It can go below it, but it stops at 38. So I can go above by pushing this if I really wanted hotter water. But by leaving it right at 38, it comes out this side at 100 degrees. So it'll add, it restricts the really super hot water, adds cold water, comes out at the preset temperature. So I recommend this. That way you can just turn on the hot tap. You're gonna get 100 degree water without having to fiddle with it. And you can make it a little lower or a little higher if you like, but 100 degrees is a nice temperature for me. But I just wanted y'all to know, this I recommend if you're gonna do a tankless hot water heater in your schoolie, get one of these valves. It makes life so much simpler, and you're not gonna accidentally burn yourself on hot water. Okay, now back to regularly scheduled video. So a little fun at Skooliepalooza.
Yeah, give it some gas. Right over their heads. Yeah.
Look at that. Why are they all
Well, this is pretty much the end of Skooliepalooza. People have been leaving. Some of us diehards are still here. At total count, it was 112 buses showed up this year, which is almost 3 times what we had last year. So pretty good turnout, pretty good crowd for the most part. And so if you got a schoolie, or if you don't have a schoolie and just interested, come on out to Quartzsite next January. Look for Skooliepalooza official page on Facebook, and we'd love having you here. See you later, YouTube.